Big setback for BYD in India. The EV giant's ambitious manufacturing plans have just hit a roadblock. In March, BYD had plans to build a massive plant in Hyderabad with an annual capacity of 6 lakh EVs by 2032. But now, those plans have been shelved. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal, in an interview with Bloomberg, confirmed that India has denied BYD's expansion, citing national interest and strategic concerns. The Indian government is cautious due to China's non-market practices and potential links of Chinese companies to the Chinese military, the PLA. This isn't the first time. Back in July 2023, India had already rejected BYD's 8,200 crore proposal to jointly set up a plant with Mega Engineering. For now, BYD will continue to sell EVs in India via the CBU route. Despite hurdles, the brand has posted a stunning 90% growth this year. From Atto 3 to Sealion 7 and Emax 7 MPV, BYD is actively expanding its EV portfolio and dealership network across India. March, sales grew 175% year over year, from 144 units in 2024 to 396 in 2025. BYD is now targeting Tier 2 cities next. BYD isn't alone. Great Wall Motors also faced policy roadblocks and exited India in 2022 after its $1 billion plan fell through. India sees risks in China's opaque business practices, government-backed subsidies, and the potential for unfair competition. All this has led to stricter scrutiny of Chinese investments. So for now, India is putting national interest first. BYD may have to wait for clearer skies before it goes Make in India. Like, share, and subscribe to AutoVerse India for the latest updates on EVs and auto industry insights.